In this video, I'm going to explain to you the world's best PBN hosting control panel and why Seahorse App is the best ever PBN hosting control panel ever created, and why people are moving from other WordPress host, PBN host to the Seahorse control panel, and it's actually getting really, really better. And this is going to be the future of multiple IP hosting. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through, I'm going to take you inside, show you the control panel. And it's actually, if you Google PBN hosting, multiple IP hosting, all these keywords is ranking on the top of the Google. Cheap PBN hosting, cheap.com domains. It's not just the private blog network multiple IP hosting panel. It has the domain checker where you can register domain, get the most incredible prices for domains. Like, look at that. So you get 45% off for a .com domain comparing to any other registrar. You get the best prices, and .in domain, you pretty much get like the cheapest price in the world. So very, very competitive prices you're going to get for many domains. And then so these are the prices which are available. And the Seahorse app for multiple IP hosting, it's an incredible platform. So you have all the information, the tutorials are here, all the details, pretty much everything is covered. Live chat support is there 24/7. It helps you, it answers you almost every questions you want. And if you want to book a call, you can do that, book a call with our live chat support team as well. And Seahorse app gives everything and a person needs to host a domain, buy domain names, buy register expired domains, and all the details. And this is the multiple IP hosting. You can get unique IPs up to 150 on the Seahorse app right now, and it's get increased, and more IPs are coming. And that means not like just like at seahorse.com, we want to also bring like hundreds of more IPs here, so you can get hosted multiple IPs. However, if you want more IPs up to 2000, you can go to seahorse.com. We have IPs, but the system right now is over here having the best IPs. So, and you can get it going. So these are the details, the getting started, the domain search, FAQs, all those things are covered. And then when it comes to domains, domain checker is there, all the details. I would recommend you to go around in the Seahorse app and check that one. So the platform pretty much gives you all the details you want, from domain registration, domain expiry date checker, domain DNS checker, all these details. So that's why I've said, like, this is by far the best ever domain registration guide is there. So by far the best ever platform on the web when it comes to hosting, registering domains, multiple IP, your hosting system, all those details are there. So I will take you inside the account. This is the back end of the account. So let me show it to you. You can see, I mean, I'm having in this account PBNs hosted, WordPress blogs are hosted, tracking sites are there, integrated with the Clicky and Google Analytics. So these are some of the domains that are registered, domains list. You can see the domains, all these details, right? Transferring domains can be done here. The prices are there. You can transfer domains. So when it comes to website and blogs, like, so I have various, you have A class IP hosting if you ever want. So these are some of the domains that are, it's such an amazing system with the Seahorse app. And it just like, I build it for us to use it with the team. And then the customs genius, like, and the developers, the team, that ideas from Gautam, like tested by the developers. Aslam has been tested, Dinesh is at testing all these domains at Click2. So all the teamwork has gone into this platform to be built with our developers. And that's why eventually we managed to get the best web hosting control panel in the world to help anybody register a domain, host it using multiple IPs if that's what they want. If you want WordPress hosting, you have WordPress hosting plans here. You got email hosting plans here. All those details are there, right? So you want multiple IP hosting, you go here. So many tutorials done by James on YouTube is there about hosting. You go to knowledge panel, you can see all the details about how to host a domain, how to change the DNS, how to go pretty much all the details are covered. And not only just that, I have the PBN demystify section, most of the information that I've built and put together about the private blog network. How do you use it? How to make money from the private blog networks, the building systems, expired domains. I go into detail about talking about expired domain changing, like all the how to find expired. I mean, all this information is there. And on top of that, we got the Seahorse University integrated from inside. So you're stuck at something, you want to know, learn how to do Google AdWords because you want to grow your business, you want to do Facebook remarketing, you want to learn how to do local SEO because you have a local SEO client. All these details are there. You can literally go and access this course for free and then start learning, so these course details are there, and more courses are coming, but it covers all the most important courses that you need from an SEO side. For a blogger, you're starting online, you want to build a personal brand, how you get about building your blog brand and positioning yourself, all these details are there. And if you think something is not covered, you can always let myself or James know that we will be creating courses for you and dropping over here free courses to learn the online education, the fundamental education. So it's already here. So have a look, created a free account on Seahorse.app and play around, go around with it. And this is the most amazing platform. If anybody's looking for ever to host a private blog using multiple IP, host a WordPress site, use email hosting, you can have email hosting. So you can buy email hosting for incredible price, really cheap price. You can get an email hosting under $1. You can host an email, custom domain email address, and with 5 GB of email storage, which is more than enough. So the cloud hosting system will also go live, and also the site builder is coming forward on the Seahorse app with the marketplace. So those are the upcoming things. I invite you to sign up with the Seahorse app, play around, go through it. If you want a demo call for us to showcase about how to host a domain, how you want to change the DNS, do any sort of thing on Seahorse app, or you can always book a call with one of our web consultants, and we will one of them will walk you through and show you exactly how to use the Seahorse app and get it going when you want to build your web presence. So with that being said, if you have any questions, drop the comments below. Let me know what you want help with, what features you're looking forward to have for the Seahorse app, the web hosting control panel, the world's best control panel, which is connected with our servers, our data center servers, Amazon servers, various data center servers. It's connected, this platform. This is how it gives you the diversity of the multiple IPs when you want to use the Seeker panel for your web hosting needs. I'll see you again, guys. Have a really good day.